Screen time restrictions can be a useful feature on your iOS devices. There are many reasons you may want to use screen time and content restrictions on an iOS device being used for AAC. You may want to prevent apps from being deleted or installed on that device. Or maybe you don't want access to the internet on that particular device while an AAC communicator is learning to use their AAC app. You may also want to prevent another Apple ID being logged into on that device. A dedicated VIA device will have many of these screen time restrictions set in order for it to be funded. You can set these up on any iOS device that you are using as well. To set up screen time restrictions, go to the iOS settings and select Screen Time. Then go to Content and Privacy Restrictions. Slide the button to enable content and privacy restrictions. There are a wide variety of things that you can choose to allow or don't allow on your iOS device. The iTunes and App Store purchases is where you can go to not allow purchasing of apps or deleting of apps on this device. Allowed apps is where you can designate which apps can be accessed on the device. If not allowed, the icon for that app will not be visible on your home screen. You can lock the screen time settings by setting a passcode. This code will be needed to adjust any of your screen time settings. It's a good idea to set a recovery email in case you forget your passcode. You're now ready to go back and use your AAC app. You can find more information about the iOS-based devices from PRC-Saltillo at prc-saltillo.com. Click on Products and then on Our Brands. Click on View Co-branded Products. You can find information about the VIA Pro and VIA Mini, including a user's guide and quick reference guide. You can find more information about PRC-Saltillo's AAC apps, Lamp Words for Life, TouchChat, and Dialog AAC.